What if I told you that Samsung has just shattered expectations in the foldable phone industry? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't just another upgrade, it's the one we've been waiting for. Leaks are flooding in, and they all point to one thing. Samsung is about to revolutionize foldables. Again. Now before you roll your eyes and think, another foldable? What's new this time? Hold on. Because what Samsung has done here is nothing short of insane. This isn't just an iterative upgrade, it's a statement. A declaration that Samsung is ready to dominate the next era of smartphones. And if the leaks are true, well, let's just say this could be the thinnest, most powerful foldable ever made. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the most jaw-dropping rumor. The thickness, or rather, the lack of it. The Fold 7 is expected to be just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded, and a mere 9.5 millimeters when folded. To put that into perspective, that's thinner than some regular slab smartphones. Imagine slipping this futuristic powerhouse into your pocket like it's just another wallet. Mind-blowing. And speaking of design, Samsung isn't playing it safe. Expect a sleeker hinge, refined edges, and an overall more premium feel. No more clunky creases or fragile displays. This one's built to last. But what about the display? An 8.2-inch AMOLED main screen and a 6.5-inch outer display, both pushing stunning, vibrant colors with buttery smooth refresh rates. Basically, Samsung is turning this foldable into an all-in-one productivity and entertainment machine. Under the hood, things get even crazier. We're talking Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, up to 12 GB RAM, and a massive 512 GB storage. Multitasking? Effortless. Performance? Lightning fast. It's the foldable that can finally replace your laptop. But wait, there's one more thing. The camera system. Brace yourself for this. A 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Yeah, Samsung just cranked mobile photography up to an entirely new level. And for selfie lovers, a 10-megapixel front camera along with a 4-megapixel under-display sensor ensures an uninterrupted, immersive viewing experience. Sounds incredible, right? But hold on, because this is where things take a turn. With all these mind-blowing specs, there's one thing that could make or break the Fold 7. The battery. A device this powerful needs serious fuel, and rumor has it Samsung is sticking with a 4,400 mAh battery. Now here's the problem. Will it be enough to keep up with the power-hungry display and chipset? That's the biggest mystery right now. And let's not forget, competition is fiercer than ever. With brands like OnePlus, Google, and even Apple stepping into the foldable game, Samsung needs to absolutely nail this. But here's the real kicker. Samsung might not be stopping here. Because if you think the Fold 7 is exciting, wait until you hear what's coming next. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be the most outrageous flagship yet, and there's a leak that could change everything. Click on the next video to find out more. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time.